こんにちは。
Do you want to speak Japanese with confidence? If the answer is yes, this video is perfect for you. Today, let's describe our past. Master Japanese through my natural approach and gain confidence. And please call me Arai sensei. In just about 5 minutes, you'll be able to say Kyoto was beautiful, for example. The structure is new expressions, practice, and summary. From part 5 lesson 4, you can say Sakura is beautiful. Try. Yes, Sakura wa kirei desu. Na is removed. Okay? We studied that in lesson 4. Now imagine you went to a Japanese festival in the past. If you want to say it was lively, then say Matsuri wa nigiyaka deshita. Do you remember past deshita from part 5 lesson 5? We'll revise all sentence patterns at the end. Now repeat after me. Matsuri wa nigiyaka deshita. Matsuri wa nigiyaka deshita. Now let's revise some words. Lively, nigiyaka na, beautiful or clean, kirei na, nice, gorgeous, 素敵な, famous, 有名な, quiet, 静かな, free about time and schedule, 暇な. Now let's use the words in the past. Okay, Edo was lively. Try. Yes, Edo wa nigiyaka deshita. Very good. Next, 1990年. I assume sushi was already famous in your country. If so, try. Good. Sushi wa 有名でした. But maybe ramen was not? Then say, ラーメンは有名じゃなかったです. Okay? It's the same as negative past じゃなかったです from part 5 lesson 5. Okay? Now repeat after me. ラーメンは有名じゃなかったです. ラーメンは有名じゃなかったです. Next, yes no question. 1990年. Tell me about the time in your country. カレーライスは有名でしたか? Your answer? For example, はい、有名でした。いいえ、有名じゃなかったです。Great! Now, open question. Do you remember a place you went last week? I'll call it X. And X はどうでしたか? Describe it. Adjective でした。I went to the beach last week. ビーチに行きました。Now ask me about it. Yes. ビーチはどうでしたか? 静かでした。Okay, lesson summary. The past でした。Question か? Answers はいでした。いいえじゃなかったです。And question word どう? Now it's time to revise the all sentence patterns of part 5. It's based on X or Y des from part 1 lesson 1 to 10. Part 5 lesson 1 to 5 we studied adjective with thing des. Lesson 3 and 6 adjective it des. And lesson 4 and 7 adjective without na des. Remember? Let me call adjective and thing des as structure 1 and adjective des without a thing as structure 2. Let's start with structure 1. Lesson 1 non-past i thing des. And the negative じゃないです。Lesson 2 na is the same. Lesson 5 past でした。Negative past じゃなかったです。Next, structure 2 of i adjectives. Lesson 3 non-past i です。And the negative drop i and くないです。Lesson 6 past drop i and かったです。Negative past くなかったです。 Also structure 2 of non-adjectives. Lesson 4 non-past ドロップなプラスです。And negative ドロップなじゃないです。And today past ドロップなでした。Negative past ドロップなじゃなかったです。And finally open question words. Structure 1 どんな thing. Structure 2 どう in both non-past and past. I hope the summary helped. すごいですね. You followed all.
If everything is clear now, please click like. If something is still not clear, please write a question to me on the comment section below. I'll answer for you.
Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.